What's up, everybody? This is Alexis. So today I'm going to talk to you about Acorns. It's a little investment app that help you invest your money, save your money, and stuff like that. But what I want to show you guys today is that they have a referral bonus, $1,000 referral bonus. We have to invite 12 of your friends to join Acorns this month, and they will invest $1,000 in your Acorns account. And they'll also plant an oak tree for each new friend with one tree planted. So if you have 12 friends that have $5, because that's how much it costs to invest in Acorns, only $5. They'll get the $5 back once they sign up, because once you sign up, you get $5 too. So you're not really technically not losing no money, but you do have to invest the $5 before they give you the $5, just to make sure you're going to do it. So all you need is 12 friends, just 12 friends to join. So just click the link. Either it's going to be below or maybe to the left or to the right of me, or down. And if you're watching the video on YouTube, it's going to be below. If you're watching it somewhere else, it might be to the left or the right of you. So just click the button, sign up. It's only $5, you guys. If you guys need any help, just email me or text me or call. All right, guys, have a good day.